Contrary to popular belief, if a nestling has fallen and you can easily reach the nest, it's perfectly fine to put the baby bird back in. Most birds have a very poor sense of smell, so the idea that they would reject their offspring due to a human scent is pure hogwash. But remember, if the chick has feathers, it's most likely a fledgling and doesn't need your help. Its parents are probably nearby, keeping an eye out and bringing food. Despite its bumpy skin, a toad cannot give you warts. Warts in humans are caused by a virus, not by a toad's skin. So don't be afraid to gently touch a toad. Rest assured, bats getting tangled in your hair is not going to happen. Bats use echolocation to navigate in the dark, allowing them to pinpoint objects as small as a mosquito or a moth from high above. So no, they have no intention of getting stuck in your hair. Can porcupines shoot their quills at you if you get too close? The answer is no. Porcupines use their sharp quills for defense, but they only release from the skin when contact is made with another animal. They certainly can't launch them through the air like missiles. It's often said that moss always grows on the north side of tree trunks and can help you find your way in the woods. In reality, moss grows wherever conditions are cool and moist. While this is often the north side, in the woods all sides are likely to be shaded, making this clue unreliable. To summarize, most birds can't smell your scent on their chicks, toads can't give you warts, bats won't get tangled in your hair, porcupines can't shoot their quills, and moss grows wherever it pleases. So next time you hear these myths, remember the facts and share your newfound knowledge. Until then, stay curious and keep questioning the world around you.